Creative Stamping Magazine. This is issue 95, and it has a very nautical feel. Let me show you what you get with the magazine. You're going to get all of these stamps, and aren't those fun? So just lots of imagery from boats to vases and messages, all of that. In addition, there is a stencil, and let me show you what that looks like. So you get several different images on this. And let's get into the magazine and show you some of the examples of what Practical Publishing's design team has done. Let me start right here. So on the crest of a wave, this is saying, so you can see that stencil, in fact, step by step of how to use it. And you can see it being used there, a little boat, you're my anchor. Very nice. And you can use just the flowers if that's what fits your need at the moment. A message in a bottle. Now, none of the designers did this, but we highly recommend and love the look after you've stamped, and if you've used a bottle or a jar, anything that's glass, we recommend you use the 3D crystal lacquer, because that is going to give you a shine and it's going to look like glass, and it's just a really nice look. So you just apply this, never shake this up because you don't want to introduce bubbles into it, but when it dries it's going to be perfect, and you can just squeeze it on. So we've got how to do some masking if you want to build images like this. We also have a shaker, so that's fun, and some different ideas here. Now this is called ghost stamping, and I remember that Teresa did this in one of her stamping DVDs that we carry. Normally when you get a shadow, it's darker. Well, with ghost stamping, the first image is white, and then you stamp on top of it. So that's the ghost of it. So that's really a fun technique. I haven't seen it in quite a while. Here we have step by step how you might want to do it. And we've got some really nice examples. Again, it's using the some of the stamps. You could certainly use some of the stamps that are in the package or stamps that you have. And there's some more, so that's fun. And here we go with calling this terrific texture. So if you want to build a wood plank to put your projects on, that's step by step for you. Here we have some different things. That kind of looks like our flowing ink paper. We've got some burlap and just some different, using a gel plate, which we carry, or papers, either one. And then we have sending a special message. So this is really quite a lot of depth to it, a lot of product on it. Step by step how to do this, and that's really fun. Nikki did a great job on that. And here we have a different section, not using these particular stamps, but it's getting gold and giving you some examples of how to do that and what they might look like. So you can do gold in many ways. Certainly embossing powder is one, the fab foil is another, the encrusted jewels is another, so lots of ways to do that. This is a project out of a magazine that we have, and this is the Simply Cards and Papercraft 217, so giving you another look. Here we go with some more examples. Now these have a more clean look to them, certainly as compared to the mixed media, but again, very dramatic, and you can see how using that 3D crystal lacquer would really make that pop. Here we've got more going on with the stencil at an angle. That's nice. And here we go. Again, using popsicle sticks, or craft sticks is how we refer to them in the industry, using on a jar, very fun, or to cover a can. And here we have more, let your dreams set sail. So kind of a feminine look right there. So you can get lots of different looks, very, very nice. And that's what I've selected for you. There's certainly more inside, and you can see all of these stamps. My word, there's a ton there. And then again, you also get that stencil and all of the instructions. By the way, the stencil is 6x6. All of this in the Creative Stamping Magazine issue 95, and we are so proud to be able to tell you these are exclusively here at paperwishes.com.